In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on the scientific calculator feature on your iPhone. Many people don't realize that their iPhone actually has a scientific calculator built into the regular calculator app. This can come in handy for those who need to perform more complex mathematical functions. To get started, open up the calculator app on your iPhone. And then, to get the scientific calculator, simply turn your phone to landscape mode. As you can see, there are a lot of functions on the calculator now. To turn it off, simply rotate your phone to portrait mode. If you can't auto-rotate your phone, make sure you have turned off the portrait orientation lock on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.